Heart health is vital for overall good health, but here in North Dakota, our heart health is not as good as it should be, depending who you ask. KX's Mary Gutenkopf tells us why.
According to the CDC, heart disease is the leading cause of death among North Dakotans, with nearly 1,500 dying from it each year. But many local healthcare providers say those deaths are preventable.
One way to prevent these deaths is to know the signs of a heart attack. For men, these are usually chest pains and shortness of breath. But it's important for women to know that they won't always have the same symptoms.
Unfortunately, in women, they present a little differently. So for women, they might have symptoms such as nausea, abdominal pain, they may have back pain that radiates to the jaw. Fatigue is another common one. That's kind of what we call an atypical symptom that women present with, as opposed to men who present with more of the typical signs, which is the chest pain, the shortness of breath.
Providers say it's also important to know whether or not your family has a history of heart conditions.
The one most non-modifiable risk factor would be family history, so it's important for patients to know if they do have a strong family history of heart disease.
But many risk factors leading to heart disease are modifiable, and the most effective way to prevent heart disease-related deaths is to cut them off at the source. One way to do so is to monitor your blood pressure and cholesterol, as these go hand in hand with heart disease.
Local providers say many of the steps towards heart health are easy ones to take, such as remembering to take walks and keeping up on your fruits and vegetables.
They say small changes such as these can have a life-saving impact in the long run.
Reporting for KX News, I'm Mary Gutenkopf.
Health and Human Services says it's also important to quit using tobacco, drink less alcohol, and to limit your caffeine intake, including energy drinks. For more tips on how you can stay heart healthy, look for this story at kxnet.com.